This is one of the easiest ways people are using AI to make money on YouTube without showing their face, without selling anything, and without being an expert. In this video, I'll break down a simple AI-powered system that works perfectly for faceless channels and why YouTube actually prefers this format. YouTube has changed. The platform no longer rewards personality, it rewards watch time. That's why faceless videos in niches like AI and productivity are exploding right now. Here's the system at a high level. You create educational videos about AI and time-saving tools. You use AI to write the script, stock footage for visuals, and monetize entirely through YouTube ads. No selling, no links, no audience building required. This system only works if you choose topics people already want to watch. Focus on AI tools explained simply, productivity hacks, and how AI is changing work. Avoid hype. Educational content keeps people watching longer, and that's what increases ad revenue. For scripting, AI scripts should not sound like essays. Short sentences work better. The goal is not to impress, it's to keep people watching. You don't need fancy visuals. Use stock tech footage, screen recordings, and animated text highlights. Change scenes every 3 to 5 seconds. Close-up of a high-resolution monitor displaying a polished, faceless YouTube video with professional captions, smooth transitions, and engaging visuals. The video player shows high engagement metrics and positive comments. Warm, professional lighting emphasizes the quality of the final product. Here's why this works so well with ad monetization. AI and productivity content has high CPMs. Educational videos naturally run longer, meaning more ad placements. And faceless content scales easily, allowing consistent uploads. Even moderate views can generate solid monthly income when retention is high. This is just one AI system that works for faceless channels. Focus on clarity, originality, and watch time. That's what YouTube rewards long term.